Hey everyone, Cyber Tutor here. Routing is the backbone of how data travels between networks, and understanding it is essential for cybersecurity. Let's explore static routing, where routes are manually configured, and dynamic routing, which uses protocols to find the best paths for data automatically. These concepts are critical for securing networks and preventing routing-based cyber attacks. Let's get started. Before diving into static and dynamic routing, let's quickly recap what routing is. Routing is the process of directing data packets from one network to another. Routers make these decisions based on a set of rules or protocols, ensuring that data reaches its destination efficiently and securely. First up is static routing. This is when a network administrator manually sets up routes for data to travel. Think of it like a fixed map. Data always takes the same path, regardless of changes in the network. Static routing is simple and works well in smaller networks or environments where the layout doesn't change often. However, it's not ideal for larger, dynamic networks because any change, like a link failure, requires manual updates, which can lead to downtime. In cybersecurity, static routing can be more secure because it doesn't share routing information across the network, reducing exposure to potential attacks. But the downside is its inflexibility. For example, if a link goes down, the data flow stops unless someone updates the route. Now let's talk about dynamic routing, where routers automatically discover and update routes using protocols. This is like having GPS for your network. Routes adjust automatically if there's congestion or roadblock. Dynamic routing is ideal for larger, constantly changing networks. There are several types of dynamic routing protocols, each with unique features. RIP, or Routing Information Protocol, is one of the oldest dynamic routing protocols. It uses the hop count, or the number of routers a packet passes through, to determine the best route. The fewer hops, the better the route. However, RIP has limitations, like being slow to update and unsuitable for large networks. For cybersecurity, this could mean delays in identifying and responding to routing issues. OSPF, or Open Shortest Path First, is a more advanced protocol. It calculates the best route based on the shortest path, considering factors like link speed and reliability. OSPF is faster and more scalable than RIP, making it ideal for medium to large networks. In cybersecurity, OSPF offers features like authentication, ensuring that only authorized routers share routing information, reducing the risk of attacks like route poisoning. Finally, there's BGP, or Border Gateway Protocol. BGP is the protocol that powers the internet, managing how data flows between large networks like ISPs. It's designed for scalability and handles massive amounts of routing information. Cybersecurity in BGP is critical, as misconfigurations or attacks like BGP hijacking can disrupt internet traffic. Understanding BGP's role helps cybersecurity professionals secure global networks. So which is better, static or dynamic routing? It depends on the network. Static routing is great for small, simple, and secure networks where changes are rare. Dynamic routing is better for large, complex networks where routes need to adapt automatically. In cybersecurity, a mix of both might be used. For example, you might use static routes for sensitive internal traffic and dynamic protocols for general, external traffic. To secure your routing setup, follow these best practices. Secure your routing protocols. Use protocols like OSPF with authentication. Monitor your routing tables. Regularly check for unauthorized or suspicious routes. Limit access to routers. Use strong passwords and restrict administrative access. Use firewalls. Protect your routers from external attacks. These steps help reduce vulnerabilities in your routing infrastructure. To recap, routing is essential for directing traffic across networks. Static routing is simple and secure but less flexible, while dynamic routing protocols like RIP, OSPF, and BGP offer scalability and adaptability. Understanding these concepts helps you design secure and efficient networks. Thanks for watching. If you're finding our Network Fundamentals series helpful, make sure to check out our previous episodes, like VLANs and routing basics. And don't forget to visit our Cyber News blog on Substack for quick updates on cybersecurity and technology trends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things cybersecurity. Stay informed, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video.